Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a safe way to make a shop base. To sell stuff, it's going to be very hard for raiders to get in. I just want to say something before I start this. You don't have to make it out of alcohol. I will be doing it in the video because it's just, I just turned it on and you can make it out of anything you want. But for some parts, I will tell you what has to be high quality and what won't. Alright, so let's get into it. I'm going to start off with a triangle foundation and two doorways like that. And you're going to do this, put a square foundation there, a triangle foundation, square, square. Now it should look like that. Like so. What you're going to do from here is put the door frame right there. Wall everything out. Put a double door frame right there. This is how it should look from the air perspective. Like that. You're gonna want to put your TC right here, along with a box here, and a box right. You could put it here if you want, but I'm not gonna put it there. This is going to be sticking to just a little right there. Or if you really want to, you can do remove the TC and put it right here. You can put a box right there and right there. And you can also fit two, if I can find it, small boxes right here. Right there. You also don't have to lock these boxes. It's just like that. Or you don't have to lock the TC. I recommend it though. It's just like that because it auto locks. You just put a bit of stuff and make it look quicker. And with these two door frames, you put a vending machine here, vending machine there. Right there. Then what you're gonna do is you put a wall frame right there, door right there. Actually, yeah, you put a wall frame there, and you put a wall right there. You put one box in here. This is just gonna be like, if I can fit it. Drop box. You can either put like that, or you can put two small boxes in there. For the video, I'm gonna put, if you fit them right, you can get 3. For the video, I'm just gonna put 2 here. So basically, you just put 2 there. These are just gonna be your drop boxes. You put a door there. And you just keep like a gear set in there. Right here on the other hand, you could put a doorway and a vending machine. Make sure it's facing that way. Put a wall frame there. another double door. And then you go into traps. You can either do one or two shoddy traps, or one or two flame pits. For the video, let's go put two shoddy traps. Either that, or you can slide an auto right in right there. Put some ammo on it, like that. So when they blow through the door, it's gonna be a bit trouble to get through. Like that. You have to have it protecting your TC, nowhere else. Because if they get the TC, they can turn this around. And this is where your loot's gonna be. And if you didn't know, if you destroy a vending machine, you can't get the loot inside, just despawns. You can't get the loot that's inside it. So you just have it flipped around like that. You can even put a sail in it if you really want to, but I don't recommend it. Put either an auto right there or two shy traps. You put it one facing right there, it'll fit right there. Put another one right there, right there. See, like that, because you can't drain it from here. Well, you can, but it's gonna be hard. You're gonna take a lot of damage from it. And it's not, you have to be right here. It's not gonna shoot you. But if you get farther, it's gonna shoot you, and both of them are gonna shoot you. Like that. Or my recommendation is just to put an auto here and keep that there. So basically now what you do is, you don't really have to secure that, but this part's optional right here to put a double door right there. You don't really have to, you don't have to, it's optional. But right here, you're going to put a window frame. Why you're going to put a window frame is so someone can't just access it. It's good. Then you put a wood box right there, or you can put a large box. Keep two hammers inside of it, as well as a few reinforced glass windows and a few vertical window or horizontal window meshes. I think everybody knows how this goes, but if you don't, then there it is. Do this, because this far away you can't actually reach it, so they're gonna have to blow through this window meshes, which is 500, and this is also 500. So it's gonna take a bit of resources. It's equivalent to a sheet metal wall. You just take, when you do it and it's out, you just take a new one, switch it out, put it on. You can't access it even if you have this. You can't access it because you can't get there. So they just managed to blow up the window bars and not the window embrasures, and they're still gonna have to blow through the window embrasures. So you have that like that. Put two doors on. But here's your auto protecting your TC. This is where you just keep some of your loot that's not so valuable, and you put all your like explosives and sulfur in here. See, look, if you Also, this is a quick way to get out as well. Forgot to mention that. And you can get back here. So basically, this is useful if someone's waiting you and you have to get there. You can just do that, and when they blow the door, you do that. You can just shoot them, close the door, you're out. So it's kind of like it's useful to have this door, but like I said before, it's optional. You have it like this, and then you keep all your explosives and stuff. Just keep your like AKs in here, or your grenades, or like your grenade launchers, and that. So you just like, just like stack it and stuff like that. Throw it in there. Turn it around. And then you rotate it. But to do this, you have to... Oh crap. Sorry, I messed up. For this, you have to do this. You put a bag in here. I'm so sorry, I messed up pretty bad, but just ignore that. You put a bag in there. Then you place a wall on. In order to do that, you have to pick up these boxes. Place them just a little closer to the TC like that. And then you put a wall here. And you put your other bag in here. To get loot out of here and through, you have to go here, go literally to the edge of the wall, look there, and kill yourself. Then you can get through the, you can grab your arm and pass loot through via your body that clipped through the wall. Same with this way. That's how you pass loot through, like that. And once you do that, I forgot to mention you can't rotate it while there's loot inside. Like, look, throw a few chests in there. You can't rotate it. So you have to keep it like this. Keep it like this. Pass loot through your body, or you could put a drop box in there. Whichever suits you. Whichever suits you works. But from there, I'm going to rate it for you, and I'll show you how much it takes with these doors armored. Let me just remove this. And I'll show you how much it takes. I'll do C4 and rockets. C4. Where's the rocket launcher? Ammunition and boom. I could where's the C4 down? That's weird. But 2 C4 for this door, plus 2, plus 1, 2, plus 2, and 1. They can't get through here. But to get your main loot, if you have to have these walls around this. You have to have these walls here armored and a wall here, which is 8 C4, 16 rockets, which is pretty expensive if you're on a vanilla. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like and subscribe if you want more base designs. I'm going to be uploading just about daily, so see ya. Like I said, like and subscribe, turn the bell icon on. I'm going to have new base designs daily, practically daily, just about for you. See ya.